Okay, so I set out on a quest to see which affiliate marketing course is better, Legendary Marketer or the First Commission Challenge by Chad Bartlett. And this is what happened. Legendary Marketer costs a few bucks to get started, not a big deal, maybe like a meal out at McDonald's. It has 15 modules, it's a great introduction, very easy to follow. It was a big upsell on day 3 or day 4, to which I skipped. I got my affiliate link and I started promoting it. After promoting it for a year later through my other 2 TikTok channels, I made this much with it. And now, First Commission Challenge. First Commission Challenge by Chad Bartlett. It's a 5-day challenge. It costs absolutely $0 to get started. So that was a big bonus. Had a nice thorough course, lots of learning modules. To make the Legendary Marketer run, you need ClickFunnels. To make the First Commission Challenge run, you need Builderall. They both are about cost the same. I produced over 10 of these, 10, and I would say that the First Commission Challenge is way better